Born from a flower, Angelika, the dress that was born from a flower. Have you ever created something beautiful and realized it was completely wrong? I still scroll through the photos from that early morning photo shoot in Lviv and feel a quiet shiver. The sun was just beginning to gild the ancient walls of the city. A red-haired woman with a long braid walked across the cobblestones, and the dark, violet and olive green crochet dress flowed behind her like a whisper of lace. The light touched the viscose fabric pattern, and it shimmered softly, as if the city itself exhaled in admiration. But before that magic, there was doubt. It began with a message from a woman across the ocean. She was fiery, vibrant, full of life. She was preparing for her daughter's wedding and wanted a dress that would leave everyone breathless, a dress that would speak before she even said a word. I took my crochet hook with excitement, imagining soft lilac tones, lavender hues, something romantic and airy. I designed a delicate A-line silhouette built from elegant motif compositions and flowing stitches. When she tried it on, it was clear the dress and the woman belonged to different universes. Where there should have been fire, there was softness. Where there should have been power, there was quiet grace. It was not her voice, and for a brief moment I felt the heavy pause every maker knows, the one that whispers, "You missed it." But failure is rarely an ending. It is usually a comma. That summer afternoon I walked into my mother's garden. She has collected flowers her entire life. The garden feels less like a yard and more like a living museum of color and texture. And there it was, an iris, deep violet, almost black at its core, fading into lighter purple tones, strong olive green stems holding the bloom like a royal scepter. In that instant, everything aligned. I had those exact shades in my Italian viscose yarn collection: dark violet, olive green, a lighter purple with a hint of rose. Nature had already created the perfect color story. I simply had to listen. I placed the irises in a crystal vase in my studio and began sketching not just a dress, a portrait of the woman inside it. I experimented with chain loops, adjusting the tension to create fluid movement. I tested single crochet for structure, half double crochet for softness, and double crochet for openness in the lace sections. The treble crochet stitches added height and drama, echoing the proud lines of the flower petals. Each motif was laid beside the real petals, each diagram refined until the fabric pattern felt alive. Before our video call, I was nervous. The shift from gentle lilac to dramatic violet and green was bold. Even if nature approved, would she? I showed her the bouquet, the sketch, the swatches, the schemes and pattern details. And then I saw it. Her eyes lit up. Yes, that's me. She was a lioness, strong, radiant, royal. And finally, the dress matched her spirit. There was little time before the wedding. I worked long nights, building the A-line silhouette stitch by stitch. The viscose moved like liquid light through my fingers. The rhythm of the crochet hook became my meditation. I checked every chain loop, every connection between motifs, ensuring the structure was flawless yet fluid. When the dress was finished, I felt something rare. I would have worn it myself to a sacred moment. That is always my quiet test. Before sending it overseas, I organized a sunrise photo shoot. At dawn, the city was silent. The first rays touched her hair, then the lace, then the ancient stone walls. It felt cinematic, timeless, as if the dress had always belonged there. When the package finally arrived, just one day before the celebration, I waited anxiously. Then her message came, "It fits perfectly. I feel like a queen. I will own that room." And she did. A few days later, another message followed. Guests had approached her all evening, asking about the dress. She smiled, knowing the journey behind it, the doubt, the iris, the transformation. What happened next surprised me even more. After sharing the photos online, women from different countries began writing, "Teach us. We want this pattern. We want the tutorial." And so, the dress evolved again. I created the Secrets of Dress Angelika course. Detailed patterns, clear diagrams, step-by-step video tutorials explaining every stitch, from the first chain loops to the final seam. I wanted beginners to feel safe, intermediate makers to enjoy the schemes, advanced crocheters to appreciate the complexity of the fabric pattern and experiment with their own color stories. Now, Angelika lives many lives, in new colors, in new sizes, in studios across the USA, Germany, Australia, Canada, and beyond. Each woman adds her own story to it. What's the greatest lesson? Nature is the best designer. When you don't know how to combine colors, look at a flower. When you doubt your direction, step outside. Harmony already exists. We simply translate it into stitches. Sometimes what feels like failure is just the beginning of something truer. Slow fashion teaches us patience. Handmade reminds us that beauty takes time. Every single crochet, every treble crochet, every carefully studied diagram carries energy, and energy travels across oceans, across screens, into someone else's life. Angelika was born from a flower, from courage, from listening more closely. Have you ever unraveled something you thought was finished, only to create something far more powerful? And has nature ever guided your color choices in crochet or design? I would truly love to hear your story. Thank you so much for watching this video. If this video inspires you, please subscribe and turn on the bell. Your comments and likes help our channel grow and reach more creative hearts. Before anything else, we want to say thank you, truly, from the bottom of our hearts. Thank you to every single Patreon member who supports JThouse. Your support is not just a subscription, it's trust, it's belief in our vision. It's the reason we can continue creating couture designs, developing new courses, and hosting live workshops every single month. Because of you, our live online crochet school keeps growing. Because of you, we can experiment, design bold new pieces, and share every step of the journey, from the first sketch to the final stitch. You are not just supporters, you are part of our creative family, and we are so grateful to create this magic together with you. If you'd like to join our Patreon community, the link is in the description. We'd love to welcome you. Take a look at these incredible results. These are just a few of the breathtaking dresses our students have created using our detailed crochet courses. From beginners who started with simple doilies to advanced crafters, they've all achieved something extraordinary. And guess what? You can too. Meet Anna, one of our students from Poland, at a beautiful stage in life. She made her first crochet dress, and it turned out absolutely stunning. Now she's hooked and creating new dresses every season. If she can do it, so can you. Maybe you've always dreamed of making your own dress, but thought it was too hard or too complicated. Let me tell you something. We're here to change that. With our years of experience, detailed courses, and the best materials in the world, we'll guide you every step of the way. This is your chance to turn that dream into reality. Creating something as grand as a crochet dress isn't just about the final product. It's about the journey. When you finish a big project like this, you'll feel a deep sense of pride and respect for yourself. And trust me, that feeling is priceless. Imagine this. While everyone else is posting pictures of their doilies online, you'll be sharing photos of your handmade masterpiece. A dress that's uniquely yours. Let's be honest, they'll be green with envy. But more importantly, you'll have proven to yourself that you're capable of creating something truly extraordinary. And it doesn't stop there. Your family, friends, and even strangers will admire your work. Who knows? You might even start getting requests to make dresses for others. That's the power of mastering this craft. It changes how you see yourself and how others see you. Now, let's talk about style. When you have the skills to create your own dresses, you're no longer limited by what's in stores. You can design something that's 100% you. Choose the colors, the textures, the patterns, everything that reflects your personality and taste. That's true freedom. Handmade dresses aren't just clothing, they're a statement, they're a way to stand out, to show the world who you are. And the best part, you made it yourself. Let's be real. Handmade crochet dresses can cost a fortune if you buy them. But when you make them yourself, you're not just saving money. You're creating something priceless, something that will turn heads and earn you respect. Not just from others, but from yourself. And once you've made one dress, why stop there? You can develop your own unique style, something that people will recognize and admire. Imagine being known as the woman who creates stunning, one-of-a-kind pieces. That's the kind of legacy you can build with crochet. So, what are you waiting for? If you've ever dreamed of creating something extraordinary, now's the time. With our courses, our support, and the best materials in the world, you can make it happen. Click the link in the description to explore our courses and start your journey today. Your dream project is just a few stitches away. Let's create something extraordinary together.